Day 13. Overcoming fear and increasing our confidence. On our path to become successful and prosperous, we are subject to many types of fears. Fear of failure, fear of the unknown, fear of what will people think, even fear of success. Indecision is the seed of fear. In order to overcome our fears, we have to be able to make sound decisions based upon clear and open-minded thinking. Our mind is like a parachute. It only works when it is open. In order to overcome our fears and apprehensions, the first thing that we must do is to recognize, isolate, and analyze our fears. One of the most notable examples of the negative impact that fear can have on our life is shown to us from the Bible in the story of Job. Oftentimes, when the story of Job is related, it is emphasized how Satan is seemingly given free rein to wreak havoc upon Job. However, in Job 3:25, Job says, "For the thing which I greatly feared is come upon me, and that which I was afraid of is come unto me." Fear is not only detrimental to our emotional state of mind, but it also opens the way for the very thing which we fear to come upon us. Oftentimes we can realize that the very things which we greatly fear can be overcome by action. Some people may have a fear of public speaking. One way to overcome this fear is to begin to speak out more at smaller settings like Sunday school, small meetings, and other small group settings. By realizing that anything becomes easier the more often we practice it, we can condition ourselves to seek out opportunities to be the icebreaker or the first one to raise our hand with a question or comment. By doing this, we develop our confidence. Toastmaster clubs can be an excellent resource to help improve our communication skills. Another way to build our confidence in group settings is to become a front-seater. Observe most group settings such as church, community meetings, business seminars, etc. Notice how the back seats often fill up first? Most people scramble to sit in the back rows so that they won't be too conspicuous. The reason that they are afraid to be conspicuous is that they lack confidence. Sitting up front builds confidence. We should make an effort to sit towards the front when possible. Not only does it build our confidence, but we also have the best view. We should practice making eye contact with others. How a person looks at others tells us a lot about themselves. When a person fails to look us in the eye, instinctively we ask ourselves, what are they trying to hide? What are they afraid of? Are they trying to put something over on me? Usually, failure to make eye contact says several things. It may say, I feel weak besides you. I feel inferior to you. I'm afraid of you. Or avoiding another person's eyes may say, I feel guilty. I've done something or thought something that I don't want you to know. Or I'm afraid if I let my eyes connect with yours, you will see through me. We say nothing good about ourselves when we avoid eye contact. We're saying, I'm afraid I lack confidence. We can conquer this fear by forcing ourselves to look others in their eyes. It is said that the eyes are the windows to the soul, and looking others in their eyes tell them, I'm honest and I believe in what I'm telling you. I'm not afraid, I'm confident. Another way that we can develop our confidence is through our body language. Not just our dress, but more importantly, our movements. Notice how highly successful people tend to walk faster than the average person. Successful people walk as though they are important and have important places to go, important things to do, and important people to see. As we walk proud with our head held high and shoulders thrown back, we not only convey to the world that we are successful, but we develop our own self-confidence as well.